He has dedicated his life to protecting human rights, civil liberties, and building what he calls the beloved community in America. A community of justice, a community of peace with itself. Please give an AFT welcome to Congressman John Lewis.
How you doing, Madam President?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Sojourner of truth.
Thank you. I must tell you that I'm delighted and very happy to be here. To be here in the House of Education. To be here in the House of Labor. To say to each and every one of you, thank you for all of your good and great work. To tell you to never give up. To never give in. To never give out. To keep the faith and keep pushing. Don't get weary. I'm not weary. I'm not prepared to give up. I'm prepared to go on and see what the end is going to be. I was beaten again in Selma, Alabama on March 7, 1965, during Bloody Sunday. I thought I saw death. I thought I was going to die. But Dr. King, I remember what he said on one occasion. It is better to die a physical death than to die a spiritual death. If you believe in something that is so dear and so right and so necessary, stand up for it, fight for it. Have courage. We can do it. We must do it.